Our science topic this week, boys and girls, centers around trees because our story that we read about Wangari is all about how she brings trees to her country, Kenya, and how that the land was very barren and they used the trees and the soil and the things that they had available to them to grow these beautiful trees in a country that didn't have very many. This week we're going to be focusing on our scholastic news, and I actually have one this week to show you. It's called Palm Trees in the Wind, and we did figure out a way this week to give you a link to this online, and the boys and girls will be really familiar with this because I use the online link in class when we teach it each week, and so they'll really understand how to use this and how to use the link. We always watch the vocabulary on the link. We always do the videos that are on the link, and then on the back there's also a way that you can answer these questions on the link, and it tells you if they're right or wrong, so the kids know exactly what to do on this. Very familiar to use the link. If it does ask you for a code when you're trying to use this, we put the link and the code there just in case you might need it to help you. So on the link it will read the weekly reader to you. We'll talk to you all about surviving storms, different kind of trees, root systems. You'll learn all about that. And then on the back, we'll talk about how a seed grows into a tree. Really, really cool. You also have two other activities this week that go along with your weekly reader. You're going to be reviewing main idea and details. This is something that you worked on at the beginning of the week with your reading story with Wangari. Same kind of idea here about the main idea and then supporting details, and you'll be writing about that using the weekly reader. And then you have a little comprehension check that also goes along with what happened in the story and answering some questions. You're just going to bubble in the answer here, kind of like we do on the back of our weekly reader. You're going to pick one answer, the answer that makes the most sense according to the story. Okay? We also have some other things for you to do this week that involves the parts of a plant. You're going to be watching a video on that. If you have a hard time finding some of the links, you can always go into YouTube, parents, and Google parts of a plant for children or for kids, and several little short videos will come up that they can use to read and to write and to help them understand what's going on here. For our science topics this week, there are lots of good educational videos attached if you'll just search under that on the search bar. Have fun learning about trees and seeds this week, palm trees, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Bye.